Hey guys, Novice Techie here. Today we're going to be taking a look at the BOYA Lavalier Microphone. Give you guys a bird's eye view. Told you I was going to have the overhead camera on this one. Let's see if we can focus it on there. Let's see, it says superb sound and presentation for video recording. Features: clip-on mic for smartphones, DSLR, camcorders, audio recorders, PC, etc. Omnidirectional condenser microphone. Low handling noise. Includes lapel clip, battery, foam windscreen, and a 1/4 inch adapter. The rest of the stuff talks about hertz and all that good stuff, which we're not going to get into here. That's not this channel. All right, guys. Let's see. Okay, so let's see here. Got the bag. That's a nice engraving. Check it out there. Whoops, can you see it? There you go. BOYA. It's not just printed on there, it's actually engraved. That's cool. It's like a vinyl. Nothing, I mean, it's a economical microphone. It's not you know, a premium mic, but I've heard good things about it, so we decided to check it out. Little card here. BOYA. This silica gel, I guess it's for moisture. We'll get rid of that and that. Let's see. We got a manual. Checking that out. All right. And looks like it's the battery, the adapter, and the windscreen, the noise screen. Oh, you got the clip also. Battery, adapter, and windscreen. All right. Push that out of the way. And, geez, it's a long cable. Okay. Okay, so we got the microphone itself. I'm guessing, oh, this is like an on-off. Okay, it says, can you see that there? Camera. So you have a switch for the camera, and then you have a switch for the smartphone. I don't know why it's different, but it is. Okay, so the battery goes here. This is a really long cable. I guess you could be recording from far away. We're gonna test it. I'm gonna hook it up in a sec, and we'll compare the audio. I have a Sennheiser boom mic. I'll have the link to that one down below too, in case you like the sound of this video. Put that aside. What else do we have? Looks like a warranty card. Yep. And the bag. Okay, well, let me hook this up and I'll be right back so we can compare the sound. Okay, so we got the BOYA mic, the lavalier mic hooked up, got it clipped here, got it set to camera. There you go, got it set to camera. And so how's it sound, guys? This is the BOYA mic that you're listening to right now. Hello, 1, 2, 3, testing, testing, BOYA mic. Now you're listening to the Sennheiser. The Sennheiser is about 10 times more expensive as this one. So I don't expect them to sound the same, but this is the Sennheiser. Testing 1, 2, 3, testing 1, 2, 3. I'll leave on the screen here which one I think sounds better. Again, I don't expect them to sound the same, but this is a cool little mic. It's got a forever long cable. So you can film from pretty far away, and lightweight. I mean, this has a little weight to it, but it has a clip. There's a clip right there, so you know you can clip it, and it's portable. So you put it in a little bag and take it with you wherever you go. Plug it up and record your audio. All right, guys. Well, this has been the unboxing and review of the BOYA mic. If you liked it, go ahead and leave a like, do your good deed for the day. It'll take you a split second, and it means a lot to me, especially since I'm barely starting this channel, my second video ever. If you want to see more, go ahead and subscribe. And if you have some constructive criticism, go ahead and leave a comment down below. I want to get better at this for you guys, and the only way I can do that is to know where I need to improve. So if you do that, I really appreciate it. It'll help me out a lot, and I'll continue making these videos for you. All right, guys, I'll see you on the next one. Thanks.